guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. In this video, I'm super excited to set up my journal and my catch-all planner for the rest of 2024, November and December, using some new covers, dividers, new covers, dashboards, and inserts that are available in my shop November 1st at midnight Eastern time at pleasantlyplanned.com. I do have a code for you to use to get 20% off of covers, inserts, dashboards, all the things that I'm going to be using in this video, and then my stickers are 50% off, no code needed. So that code for 20% off is Winter Love in all capital letters, WINTERLOVE, all capital letters. Use that code at checkout. I do have, we'll just get through the logistics and the housekeeping to begin with. I have Afterpay, Shop Pay, and PayPal payments available in my shop. So you should be able to use Shop Pay in your normal checkout routine, as well as PayPal, Pay in 4. But in order to use Afterpay, I try to remind people you have to check out in my shop as a guest. Unfortunately, Shopify does not really show the option for Afterpay unless you check out as a guest. So try that if you can't find the Afterpay option. If you're continuing to have issues finding it, let me know. So let's get into the setup video. The first planner we're going to set up and work on is my journal. My journal is hit and miss, and it has been for 2024 just because life, things go on, you know. But anyways, I use a horizontal layout happy planner. I do have the new horizontal layout happy planner to use for 2025. Those setup videos will come probably in December. We'll go through those. But I'm going to be adding, actually, I'm debating on adding my goals and reflection. So I think I'm going to add these two sets of inserts. I'm going to add my goals and reflection set. If you have not seen the video where I flip through all of these, go to that next, or the video before this, and you'll see all of my inserts and I go through them. But these are available in PDF format and print and ship in the classic size happy planner only for now. And then we have my thoughts on trial inserts. So I think I'm going to stick my goals and reflection right in the front of the planner. I'm actually thinking I might just stick it right here. It looks like the beginning of the year I was trying to use these sheets as like a gratitude type thing, but you know, that didn't work out. So I think we're going to put my goals and reflections right here in the very front of this planner. I may even glue, I don't ever use these ear to glance, so I may even glue down, let's go ahead and do that. I'll glue down these two pages so that the first sheet of my planner is this. Now I'm definitely promise you I'm going to be using this insert in my 2025 planner as well, but I do want to go ahead and get a head start and kind of start feeling things out for 2024, just to kind of see where I am and see where I want to be in 2025. So if I use it November and December this year, it'll kind of just gauge where I am and what kind of goals I need to set for 2025. I am going to claim 2025 as my year for me. Doesn't mean I'm not going to take care of anybody else or love anybody else, but I'm certainly going to focus on taking care of myself. I am a codependent people pleaser who has never truly taken care of herself, and I have been, per my therapist, pouring from an empty cup for years. And I'm not getting any younger. Unfortunately, I wish we could go backwards in age, but we don't. So I need to start taking care of myself mentally and physically. So that is what the Goals and Reflection Planner is going to help me do. And then we are going to take my thoughts on trial, and I'm going to stick those back here in the back with my notes. I do have some notes back here that I take during my therapy session. So I think we're just going to kind of put these in here, and then I'm going to put dividers in between. So I already have a divider. So these are my clear top tab dividers. Now these are available in a classic size happy planner, 9-disc punch, as well as half letter. You guys let me know if you're really interested in getting my inserts in half letter. because my covers, my dashboards, and my dividers are all available in half letter now, so I kind of feel like I need to make these inserts available as well. So y'all let me know in the comments below if that's something you're interested in. It's just a quick formatting or reformatting of the inserts. I can have that for you. It's just going to be based on demand right now. So let me know if that is something you're interested in, and I'll make it happen. So I'm going to use my Divider Labels Classic. These also are available in my shop. We're going to change this one to Wellness, only because I don't have one that says Thoughts. So yeah, we're going to just change this one to Wellness. And then we're going to go into my weekly here. And this one, is going to say Journal. And then I guess I could have a tab in monthly just to have a tab in monthly. Ideally, I would have a tab for my goals and reflection, but we're not going to make that happen. So it does make my planner kind of thick, but I do have all 12 months in here, so I could certainly pull out some months, but still it fits really well on my classic size discs. So now all I'm going to do is change the cover. And the cover that I'm going to be using, look at this, it's so pretty. It's going to look so good with gold discs as well. These neutral colors, the Christmas vibes, the warm and cozy just make me so happy. It's really going to make me want to pick up this planner and use it. I'm so excited for the rest of 2024 and the beginning of 2025. Super excited to just dig into me, myself, and I, and not sound selfish, but that's just how it's going to have to be for now. If I'm not the best version of myself, I can't help other people be the best version of themselves either. So this is called Gingerbread and Trees. Look how pretty it is. Again, my covers are super sturdy. You can hear how thick and sturdy that is. Just absolutely gorgeous on my planner. I'm super excited to use this. So that is my journal all set up and ready. Now let's go to my catch-all. My catch-all is going to get some new inserts and a new cover. We'll do the cover last. So the inserts I'm going to put in here are going to be meal planner inventory. And I'm probably going to have to make myself a whole nother set of tabs too, but we'll see how this kind of works out. We're going to put my monthly. I'm probably only going to put a couple of the blank monthlies in here. Maybe let's just do November and December. So we'll put 2 of those in here for November and December. So ideally, whenever I go to do my meal planning, which is what this whole edition is about, is meal planning. Ideally, the steps that I would take is I would have a pre-made kind of already drawn up, and this is probably going to stay the same basically for each month. I mean, unless you have holidays and whatnot's coming up. But just kind of like a sketched out monthly plan of the meals you plan on making. And then meal planner inventory would be all your inventory lists. Again, if you have not seen a complete flip through of all of these inserts, head back to that video when you're finished with this one. So I think ideally what we would do is we would do our inventory first. So go in your kitchen, do all your inventory first. Check your favorite meals list here, your meals to try. Once you've done your inventory, then sketch out based on kind of ingredients you have here already on hand. Sketch out your month, and then you would go to your weekly meal plan, which gives you the option to write down the groceries that you need and the meals you're going to make. So let's put this in the home section of my planner. I do have a home section where I just have like different ideas of meals and things that I'd already started kind of sketching out. So I'm going to put my weekly meal plans in here. And like I said, ideally I would have some top tabs. But since I'm kind of only going to be going to this section once a week, I'm not going to really be too concerned about having different dividers, because the more dividers you have, and I already have 8, the more you bulk up your planner. And this is a pretty good size as is. I did take out all but October, November, and December just because I have a whole lot of tabs and things going on. This is my catch-all, so this catches everything per the term. So let's just take a look again so you can see here while I've just kind of been brainstorming over the last couple months meal ideas. So we have my inventory first. Now, like I said, you can order multiples of this meal planner. If you say you want to try it for November, December, order 2 of them, or it's available in the PDF format. You can print them at home. It's already formatted for 7 by 9 by 9 or 7 by 9.25 for the classic size Happy Planner. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do it in half letter. But available either me print and ship or you print at home, PDF version. So then we have our blank monthly calendars. So we'll do November and December here. And then my weekly meal planners, or weekly meal plans. So I may end up kind of folding this depending. I may, once I fill this out, just kind of pull it out and put it in my weekly spread. Probably not though, because to be honest, in our weekly dashboard layout spread, we have this section here, and my box stickers already have a meals header. So ideally you would just kind of transfer your meals here to this section. That's probably what I'll do, because this only takes 1 day to figure out. So that is the inserts that I'm adding to my catch-all planner. Now let's change the cover. So this was my pink mug fall cover. This is still available as well. All of my fall covers are still available if you're interested, but I really wanted to get some of my new winter covers on just because I was excited to use them. So let's go ahead and get this one on here. I absolutely love these neutral colors. My gold discs match the gold stars here. So pretty. So pretty. I love it. Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Having a pretty planner cover just makes you want to just open your planner and use it every day. It just really helps so much with loving the planner you're in. It's like having a new outfit or a new pair of shoes or a new purse. So I love my covers, and my covers are very affordable for as sturdy as they are, especially with that 20% off coupon code. So you'll see that my covers are the same image on the front and back, just kind of reversed or flip-flopped a little bit. And then the insides are blank. So that is the cover. Now I do want to, so I took one of my fall dashboards and I put over top of October's tab. Did I do it for November? I did it for November. And so now I want to do one for December. So we'll do that on camera. Decisions. I use this as my cover. This one can go for fall or winter, so we're not going to use that one. This is my other cover, but it's also one of my favorites. I think it's a challenge between these two. And to be honest, this tab is kind of an orangey color. So I think it's going to look really pretty with the tangerines in here. So we're just going to put this on my discs. We're going to use some Tombow Mono adhesive, the permanent adhesive, and we're just going to glue it down. And that way I have very pretty dividers as well, because, you know, Happy Planner, they try with their dividers. I think this is like a Mom planner too, the one that I have for 2024. So it's not exactly my decorative aesthetic. So we can just make that prettier by putting a dashboard over top. So I always like to do this with it on the discs. It just kind of helps me line things up and make sure that it's not going to be crooked. Look how pretty it is. I love it. Okay, so let me show you my October. So this was October. Like I said, these are still available. This is my fall collection of dashboards and covers. So we have October, November, and now we have December. Look how pretty this is. I love it. I love my planner. All these pretty things is like getting a new outfit. Like I said, new purse, new shoes. Just makes you want to just come in and use your planner and sit down and actually write in it. So, okay, that is it for this setup video. I plan on doing meal planning videos weekly with you guys. We'll go through the goals and reflections together. Lots of new videos and ideas of things to come, so stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Website again is pleasantlyplanned.com. Make sure while you're there you sign up for emails. I think on the home page there's a place down at the bottom where you can sign up for emails. Follow me over on Instagram. Don't forget your coupon code, which is in all capital letters, Winter Love. That will save you 20% off your dividers, your dashboards, your covers, everything that's not a sticker in my shop. So basically, that's what it's going to work on. So yeah, that's it for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.